In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on comments on your posts and videos on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So if you had turned off comments on your videos as well as on your community posts, then let me show you how you can turn on these comments. To do this, go ahead and click on settings and then click on community moderation. Under this, click on content control and go to comments down here. Now you can see currently this is turned off. So if I change this, I can now choose on, and this will go ahead and get applied on new videos and posts. Go ahead and click on save. And now anyone will be able to comment on your posts as well as on your videos that you post on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.